I'm going to tell you a surprising story of how one of the most satisfying things to pop was actually invented for something else. But, before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing facts and stories. You may have guessed it. I'm talking about bubble wrap. The pliable and transparent material that is used for packing fragile items. It has protruding air-filled bubbles that provide cushioning and protection. But, did you know that bubble wrap was not originally intended to be used as packing material? It actually was invented to be 3D wallpaper. Yes, you heard me right, 3D wallpaper. In 1957, two engineers working out of a garage in New Jersey were trying to create a textured wallpaper with a 3D effect. They sealed two shower curtains together, with air bubbles trapped inside, hoping to create an appealing and unique wall covering. However, that idea did not catch on. No one wanted to have bubble wrap on their walls. Can you imagine how loud it would be if someone accidentally popped a bubble, or if your cat decided to scratch it? Not to mention how hard it would be to clean, or paint over. When that idea failed, they thought that maybe they could use it as greenhouse insulation, since the air bubbles could trap heat and keep the plants warm. But, that also failed to attract customers. But then, in 1959, they had a breakthrough. They realized that their bubble wrap could be used as packaging material for fragile items, such as electronics, glassware, or ceramics. They pitched the idea to IBM, which was looking for a way to protect their new variable word length computer during shipping. They demonstrated how bubble wrap could cushion and absorb shocks and vibrations, and IBM was impressed. They began purchasing bubble wrap to protect their products, and other computer companies soon followed. They had finally found a successful market for their invention. They founded a company called Sealed Air Corporation, which still produces bubble wrap today. Bubble wrap became a popular and widely used packaging material around the world. It also became a form of entertainment and stress relief for many people who enjoyed popping bubbles. So there you have it. The surprising story of how bubble wrap was originally invented to be used as 3D wallpaper. I hoped you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts and stories.